Okay guys, well, apparently when I was in San Francisco, I took an Uber ride. It was a little over 20 bucks, and alright, Deadbeat Father. Kind of sounds bad for saying that, but that is a viewer's channel name. Said I must have a miserable life, begging or something in the lines. It's in the last vlog, man. You should see the comments. But anyway, I did not get nowhere. I was just dicking around, having some good old-fashioned time watching the basketball or football game earlier today. And as soon as I sat down, I looked outside. Some panhandler was getting arrested. Apparently he assaulted a member of the Flying J crew. So that there really ruins ruins the chance of somebody catching a ride or deserving help here. Well, I understand you must get help elsewhere, but this facility is very easy to get out of. But I've been dicking around all day. Deadbeat Father, I am not aimlessly running around. I know where I'm going, and I know how I'm getting there. So instead of trying to say this and this about my channel, go ahead and look at all my vlogs, brother. Oh, hi. I'm a YouTuber. But Deadbeat Father, this sounds so wrong in many levels. No, any fathers of mine that might be listening to me, like my dad up north, that's not contained to you. There's a viewer here. Like, how many fathers I got? 100? Deadbeat Father, you up in the head, dude. It's kind of hard not laugh at that one. Come on. But anyway, go back and watch my videos. You're only watching a few that you want to see. But anyway, I am grateful for the truckers that does pick me up. I am very, very grateful on that one. But anyway, I don't know why I'm talking super loud like I'm here. But anyway, peace. Gotta go inside, charge up a little bit. Don't know what's wrong with my phone. Okay guys, well, I can't wait any longer for anybody to buy my GoPro. So I'm gonna go to the pawn shops and price it out there, see who buys what. There's 2 pawn shops that opens at 10 o'clock. So I gotta get something, you know, out of it. I really hope they don't charge me like, or low blow me. It's in good condition. It's not broke, it's not nothing. It's a little dirty. I could clean it up a little bit, but oh well. It has usage on it. So Deadbeat Father, or Deadbeat Dad, says that I'm aimlessly wandering around. You know, I'm pretty sure that I'm not aimlessly. I know where I'm going. It's just that you guys don't know where I'm going. Oh well, my viewers already know, which is you guys, that I'm making my way back east. I'm just stalling here, because we all know the temperatures out east is way colder than in California. Yeah. But anyway, I do read y'all comments. I do comment to some of them. Whew. So I am gonna go get rid of my GoPro session. I'm just gonna price to see which one of them buys it, because I can do either 80 to 108 bucks, you know. Yeah, I just don't need to be broke traveling. And then on top of that, I am trying my hardest to save. You know, I'm gonna start saving every penny I get. Well, not every penny, but every such and such. You know, right now the hardest thing is to get around this military base that's ahead of me, which really sucks. You know, I didn't expect to be another Marine base on Route 66. So I'm gonna go catch this bus. I'll see you guys shortly after. So that pawn shop right here wanted 20 bucks to pay me 20 bucks for my GoPro, and I straight up, my other GoPro, I straight up said, what do you think I am, on crack? I got it recorded on my other GoPro. Like, f that. $20 my ass. I could do a trade. Some even trade for that price. Like, that's ridiculous. Are you that serious? I can't believe it. I might as well stick to selling it online or something. I don't know, man. I was trying to get some money out of it to have while I'm going towards the state, out of state here. I can't believe it, man. Damn, that's humiliating. Why would you even low blow somebody like that? Like, shit. So I caught a ride out of Barstool, and here in western or eastern part of Amarillo, and caught a ride in a truck, in a semi. Pretty nice. You can't make it too long. Gotta shut off the light. Hell yeah. It's pretty nice. Nice guy taking me to Moore, Oklahoma. I'm just gonna go all the way around. I don't care right now. I don't care where I end up. I'm just gonna go all the way to Moore, Oklahoma, get 235 and go south to Dallas. It's more ethical to go that way and then start to go west. I don't know, east. I don't know. More a roundabout way. Remember those videos? But anyway, peace for now. Alright guys. So I'm gonna end up ending the vlog here. I'm directly in Oklahoma City. I gotta find Route 35. That's an interstate. A lot of people like, I don't know what the hell that is. That's why I ride with the truckers, man, because they know what every road is. So, if you don't know what 35 is, 95, your interstates, you might as well need to go back to school and learn that crap. Or grab yourself an atlas. Better yet, look up on your cell phone, Google Maps. Or go to Wikipedia. A lot of people say Wikipedia's fake. But anyway, so at the beginning of this vlog, I was talking about Deadbeat Dad there. You know, I'm just joking around with him. But anyway, I gotta make the vlogs interesting. But yeah, I'm not aimlessly going around. I'm just stalling, guys. You know, just stalling. It's gonna be quite cold. It is kind of quite cold. When I was in Flagstaff, boy, it was like 11 degrees. But anyway, peace, love, stay true, and be happy.